The former Director General of Military Operations, Lieutenant General A.K. Chaudhary, has confirmed a report carried first in the Indian Express that there was a very real concern of an army coup attempt in January 2012. The Defence Minister A.K. Antony had slammed the report of the Indian Express, and the former Army Chief General V.K. Singh had referred to the report as being the fables of a sick mind. He also claimed that no clarification had been sought by the government, while it now emerges that that is precisely what the government had asked for. While it now appears that the army columns moving towards Delhi in January 2012 were part of a training operation, there are clear indicators the government was worried about the next move of General V.K. Singh, who at that stage was in an open confrontation with the government over his age controversy, for which he had gone to the top court. Well, my colleague Vishnu Shom has spoken to General A.K. Chaudhary, the former DGMO of the army.
Truth was simply, which I said, that there was normal training which is carried out in the army day in and day out, and that is what was being conducted at that time also.
So what you made out from the Ministry of Defence interaction, was there an apprehension that there is a coup being planned?
No, this was not discussed with me. They only asked me clarification as to what was this movement, which I explained to them that it was a training movement.
So, but what happened exactly? What happened exactly? How you can say that it was just simple troop movement?
Because it happens almost every day that the formation units which are located in peace areas, they continue their training as per their operational role almost every second day, and it is their prerogative to carry out such training.
But in your view, when you look back, in your view, who is right, Indian Express or General V.K. Singh?
No, I can't comment on any one of them. I have told you certain facts which took place.
But in your interview has created a lot of controversy. There is a lot of speculation. There is a lot of interpretation. What is your final take on the whole thing?
My final take is Indian Army is a very professional army. It carries out training during peacetime, which must continue, and there is no question of having any doubts on the Indian Army's.
So, but was there being any coup being planned? Was there being any coup being planned?
It is unimaginable.
Well, in spite of those comments by the former DGMO, the Defence Minister A.K. Antony still insists that the movements were routine.
We got a report from the army headquarters. It was a routine training program. It was routine, nothing wrong in it. That is the answer, written answer I gave to the parliament. What record I said, it was a routine training incident. Then Defence Secretary also gave the same answer to the Parliamentary Standing Committee that this exercise was a routine training. That Parliamentary Standing Committee report also placed in the floor of the House.
If there is a serious deficit between the political leadership and the army establishment, that is indeed a matter of very serious concern. This ought not to be there. Army ultimately ensured the security of India, safety of Indians. Therefore, we are very distressed. Surely it is apparent there was a great sense of trust deficit was there, which ought not to have been there. I can only say this government is leaving a lot of challenges to us, if at all, with the blessings of people will come to power. But we are in the habit of setting right things. We wish we'll do it here.